Natural ways you can lose weight. Many people have naturally as their aim losing weight. It entails changing your way of living and sustainability. Long term, these adjustments are better and healthier. These basic, natural strategies will help you drop weight. Eat whole foods instead. Whole foods have not been refined or processed. They cover fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These low in calories yet high in nutrients foods are. They supply the energy you need and enable you to feel full longer. Eat a range of vibrantly colored fruits and vegetables. Packed in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they are. Also good are whole grains including quinoa, oats, and brown rice. They keep you full and help digestion by including fiber. Repair and development of muscles depend on lean proteins. Add sources such nuts, chicken, fish, and beans. Steer clear of sweet drinks and processed foods. Their low nutritious value and high empty calorie count define them. Sip plenty of water. Great health depends on water. It promotes digestion and correct physiological functioning. Furthermore, helping you eat less is drinking water before meals. Sometimes one mistakes thirst for hunger. Try to drink 8 glasses of water minimum per day. Additionally included are herbal drinks and water-rich fruits like watermelon. Steer clear of sodas and sweets. They cause weight gain and add pointless calories. Get consistent exercise. Losing weight requires regular exercise. It increases muscular building and calorie burning ability. It also raises your mood and metabolism. Discover an enjoyable exercise program. You might be swimming, jogging, riding, or walking. Most days of the week, try for at least 30 minutes of exercise. You could also include exercises for strength development. These raise resting metabolic rate and help develop muscle. Plan everyday physical activity into your schedule. Rather than the elevator, use the steps. Go to your location by walking from a further off park. These little adjustments taken together help to shed weight. Get enough sleep. Many times, weight loss programs ignore sleep. Still, it is really important for preserving a good weight. Lack of sleep could cause weight increase. It influences the hormones' control of appetite and hunger. Try for 7 to 9 hours of nightly sleep. Create a consistent sleep pattern. Every day go to bed and wake up at the same hour. Establish a leisurely evening ritual. Steer clear of caffeine before bed and screens. Control stress. Anxiety can cause weight gain. It sets off cortisol, a hormone that boosts appetite. Many resort to food for solace under duress. Overeating and weight gain might follow from this. Discover constructive means of stress management. Work on relaxation strategies include yoga, meditation, or deep breathing. Participate in leisurely activities you enjoy and that provide relaxation. One could be reading, listening to music, or enjoying time in nature. Eat with awareness. Mindful eating is awareness of your food and how you eat. It enables you to appreciate your food and identify when you are satisfied. This helps you reduce weight and stops overindulgence. Eat gently and really enjoy every mouthful. Steer clear of phone and TV distractions when dining. Pay attention to your body's signals of fullness and hunger. Stop eating when you are content, not stuffed. Cut back on sugar. Low in nutrition but abundant in calories is sugar. Too much sugar could cause weight increase. It also relates to other medical issues including heart disease and diabetes. Limit sugary foods and beverages. This covers pastries, desserts, sodas, and fruit drinks. Check food labels and no processed foods have hidden sugars. When called for, choose natural sweeteners like fruit or honey. Eat protein for breakfast. Starting breakfast with protein will make you feel full longer. It lessens appetite and enables you to eat less all through the day. This could cause weight loss. Have breakfast including meals high in protein. Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, eggs, or a protein smoothie may all fit here. Protein raises your metabolism and helps you keep muscular mass. Stay away from processed foods. Commonly heavy in calories, sugar, and harmful fats are processed foods. They have few nutrients and could cause weight increase. A better choice for weight loss are whole foods. Emphasize consuming whole, fresh foods. Make fresh ingredient dinners right at home. You therefore know exactly what is in your food. Consume smaller portions. Losing weight requires portion control. Eating big amounts could cause weight increase and overindulgence. If consumed in great amounts, even nutritious meals might cause weight increase. To help regulate amounts, use smaller dishes and bowls. Steer clear of second helpings and serve yourself modest amounts. Eat out with awareness of portion proportions. Many restaurant sizes are far more than required. Stay constant. Loss of weight requires consistency. Make little eco-friendly lifestyle adjustments. Long-term effectiveness is higher and maintenance of these improvements is simpler. Create reasonable objectives for yourself. Hone your development and keep inspired. Loss of weight takes time, hence be patient with yourself. Build support. Your weight loss path will be much different depending on your level of support. Tell friends and relatives your aspirations. They can support and assist you to stay responsible. Think about either finding an exercise buddy or a weight loss club. Having someone to travel your road with might inspire you. They can also offer supporting advice and guidance. Be kind with yourself. Loss of weight is a trip. Along the road will be ups and downs. Being gentle with yourself helps you not to get demoralized. Emphasize advancement above perfection. Reward your achievements and grow from any failures. Recall that each little action adds up to your target. Losing weight naturally calls for a change in lifestyle. Eat healthful foods, keep plenty of water on hand, and schedule frequent exercise. Manage your stress and make sure you sleep enough. Eat with awareness and cut back on sweets. Eat less of processed foods and fewer portions. Remain consistent and ask for help as required. Above all, treat yourself kindly. Though they could take time, these adjustments are well worth it. They will assist you to reach a good weight and enhance your general condition. Remember, the objective is to have a better and happier life as much as to drop weight.